Hey there, let me ask you something. How are you currently managing your leads, sales pipeline, project handoff, and client tracking? Because in most businesses, sales data is usually scattered everywhere. Some information is in the website form, some is in Google Sheets, some is inside the CRM, and some is in team notes. And some updates are only in someone's mind. That creates confusion very quickly, leads get missed, stages are not updated properly, team members do not have full visibility, and instead of one clean sales process, everything becomes harder to manage. So most companies do not just need a place to store leads, they need a full sales process. They need to see where leads are coming from. Whether a lead is qualified or disqualified, the stage the lead is in, and whether the discovery call happened, whether a quotation was sent, whether the client submitted the project brief, and whether that lead has already become a client. And if all of that is being tracked manually, it becomes slow and unreliable. That is exactly why we built this CRM system. Now, imagine this, a fully structured sales CRM inside ClickUp where the whole process is connected. Website form submissions are captured automatically. Qualified and disqualified lists are sorted automatically. Showroom location is assigned automatically. Sales stages are tracked in one place. Key sales dates are updated automatically. Project brief progress is connected back to the lead. And once the deal is won, the lead is automatically added to the client section. That is exactly what this system does. This is not just a lead list, it is a full CRM process built inside one workspace. Let me show you how this works. At the top, we have the sales dashboard. This gives a full overview of the sales process in one place. Here, the team can see the total revenue, and they can also see the actual sales after the client is won. They can track month-by-month information. They can see the total number of leads by month, the number of discovery calls by month, and the number of quotes sent by month. So instead of checking reports manually, the team can see all the important sales data from one dashboard. We also created a dedicated SOP for this dashboard, so the team knows exactly how to use and maintain it. Now let's move into the leads qualified list. This is where qualified leads are stored. There are many custom fields here, and most of them are coming directly from the website form. So when someone fills out the form on the website, the data is captured automatically and sent into the CRM. But it does not just get added randomly. We created an automation in make.com that checks the submission based on the qualification criteria. If the lead matches the required criteria, it is added to the qualified list. If it does not match, it is added to the disqualified list. So right from the beginning, the system is already organizing the leads automatically. Let me submit one form for you so you can understand how this works. Here, the form is capturing information like first name, company website, tech pack, average order quantity, type of meeting, and inquiry details. Now, based on the criteria, once I submit this form, the system will decide where that lead should go. If the lead is qualified, it will be added to the qualified list automatically. And that is exactly what happens here. You see, the lead is added. Now, this is where it becomes more interesting. Based on the type of meeting selected in the form, the system also decides the showroom logic. For example, if someone selects in-person US showroom, the lead is added to the showroom flow for the US showroom, and the showroom location field is automatically set to USA through the make.com automation. If someone chooses China showroom, then it is added to the China showroom flow and the showroom location is updated accordingly. But if someone selects discovery call, then it is treated as no showroom. So from the moment the form is submitted, the lead is not only added to ClickUp, but also routed correctly based on the business logic. That means the team does not need to sort these leads manually later. To make the system easier to manage, we also created multiple views inside the qualified leads section. For example, there's a main view for all qualified leads. There's a view grouped by showroom location, such as USA, China, or no showroom. There's a view grouped by stage. There's a separate view only for no showroom leads, which includes discovery call leads. There's a dedicated China view, and also a view for USA leads, an outbound form view. And there's also an archive view. This archive view is very useful because if any lead stays in a junk or disqualified state for 3 months, it is automatically archived. That helps keep the system clean and prevents the workspace from becoming slow over time. Now let's look at the lead stages in the CRM. New lead, invite sent, discovery call, project brief submitted, design invoice, in quotation, quotation ready, quotation sent, production invoice, client won, junk, and disqualified. So the CRM is not only storing contact details, it is actually tracking the full sales journey from first inquiry all the way to becoming a client. And because everything is visible in one place, the team always knows where each lead currently stands. We also added many custom fields to make the CRM more useful. For example, the team can see payment status, project type, lead type, such as inbound or outbound, design stage, brand stage, average order quantity, inquiry details, lead name, email, and other details. That means the team does not need to keep re-entering the same information manually. Another important part of the CRM is that when the sales stage changes, related dates are updated automatically. For example, when the discovery call happens, the stage is updated and the discovery call date is also updated. The same thing happens for quotation and the same thing happens for invoice. And when the lead becomes a client, the date is also recorded. So instead of manually tracking when each step happens, the system keeps those important sales dates updated automatically in the background. We also created separate showroom lists for visibility. The USA showroom and China showroom are showing the same core lead data, but in separate lists for easier management. So if the team wants to view showroom related leads separately, separately, they can do that without filtering through everything manually. This makes the workflow much more practical for day-to-day operations. Another useful part of the CRM is that the project brief is connected directly to the qualified lead. So when someone submits the project brief, the data is linked back to the correct lead. And if something changes in the project brief stages, that change is also reflected in the qualified lead. So sales and project intake are not disconnected. They are part of one connected process that helps the team see the full picture from inquiry to project handoff. And finally, once the lead is changed to client 1, that lead is automatically added to the client section as well. So there's no need to manually create a separate client record after winning the deal. The system handles that step automatically. This makes the movement from lead to client smooth and consistent. So the system highlights are website form submissions captured directly into ClickUp, lead qualification handled automatically through make.com, qualified and disqualified leads sorted automatically, showroom routing based on meeting type, multiple views for better visibility, sales stages tracked from inquiry to client 1, important dates updated automatically when the stage changes, project brief connected to the lead directly, client section updated automatically when the deal is won, and the sales dashboard showing revenue, leads, discovery calls, and quotes in one place. So the key outcomes are no scattered lead information, no manual sorting of form submissions, no confusion about showroom routing, no need to update every sales step manually, clear visibility into the full pipeline, better collaboration for the team inside one workspace, and a cleaner and more structured process from lead capture to client handoff. Instead of managing sales through disconnected tools, the team now works from one organized CRM. Instead of checking spreadsheets, website forms, and manual notes separately, everything is available inside ClickUp. And instead of just storing leads, the business now has a structured system that tracks the full sales journey from first inquiry all the way to client 1. This is not just a sales list. It is a fully connected CRM process built for visibility, automation, and smoother operations. If you found this useful, follow for more automation and system design breakdowns. And if you would like us to build a structured CRM and operation system for your business, visit cameli.tech and send us a message. Let's build systems that remove manual work and help your business scale.